Welcome. I'm in Penang, Malaysia. Look at me at the back of me. There's a butterfly park, Entopia. The study of insects is known as entomology. The entomologist studies about the insects. I think that 75% of the natural world comprise of insects. So 75%, that's a huge amount. Other species like amphibians, reptiles and mammals make only 25%. Only insects make the bulk of the natural world. So that shows the power of the insects. So this is the place where they research insects. A lot of scientists come here. I know a famous scientist called Edward O. Wilson. He is the Harvard entomologist, a very famous man, and I met him personally in Boston. And he autographed his book, and he drew one of the ants beautifully. In the dark, he drew such a beautiful ant for me. That shows the love he had for me. And Edward O. Wilson, that's excellent. And this is the butterfly park. Exclusively, there are thousands of butterflies here. Actually, we have seen a lot of butterfly parks. I think this looks so beautiful. Outside, so beautifully decorated. Its name is Entopia, the Penang butterfly farm. I think it's very quite interesting. Go inside and see the insects there. It's all insects. See the beetles and the bees also come under the insect family, and even flies, mosquitoes, everything comes in insect family. So butterflies, they form a large amount, and actually there are 5,000 versions of butterflies. I mean, it's mind-boggling what you can see. Look at that. Again, the study of insects is known as entomology, and a specialist in insects is known as the entomologist. If you are listening, if you are a youngster, probably you can develop a taste for insects, and later on you can become a big scientist, a PhD. It's not becoming a PhD is our goal, but conserving the insects and butterflies, that is should be our goal. So I encourage all the youngsters to care for the butterflies, care for the bees, and care for insects, because if the insects disappear today, within 20 years, all the vegetation will die out. Within 20 years, I'm telling you. That is the power of insects. So insects are backbone for our ecosystem and our environment and ecology, and for our good well-being. I think we need to protect our butterflies. Here is the conservation. I congratulate. I'm in Penang, Malaysia, 350 kilometers north of Kuala Lumpur. Today is March 19th, 2017. Have a good day. Thank you.